Hey guys, this is DJ. Yes, you read my community post correctly. Classic Logo Remake Party 4 is now in production. What started off as just a little experiment in digital animation soon spun off into a surprisingly successful series of videos, and the main reason I reached 1,000 subscribers within 5 years, and I thank you all for that. Now, as a way of satisfying your appetite for my logo remakes, before the 4th Logo Remake Party is done, I'll be demonstrating how I generally go about remaking logos, and offering tips for those interested in doing their own logo remakes on YouTube. The first thing I'd have to do is bring up the logo on YouTube for reference when animating. The videos should be paused so that I could break down the logo's animation frame by frame. Now, here's another important tip to keep in mind when remaking logos. It's best to choose one that you could replicate to the best of your abilities. Like, you wouldn't try to remake the CBS Fox Home Video logo in Blender if you don't even know how to make a simple ball bounce in place. My own skills have significantly grown since my first classic logo remake party 5 years ago, back when I only knew how to digitally animate in Microsoft Paint and Windows Movie Maker. After the second one, I taught myself how to insert keyframes and how to use stuff like Fire Alpaca, Cyberlink Power Director, Blender, and Adobe Premiere Pro, and now my logo remakes are more fluidly animated, more accurate to the source, and in HD quality. I'm still really proud of some of the ones in the 3rd remake party. So keep practicing, try out different tools and techniques, and you'll see how you'll get better at your craft. Okay, so I finished making the layers I need to recreate the Cuppa Coffee logo. They've been saved as one Photoshop file that will be imported into Premiere Pro to compose the final animation. That's going to be next time. Until then, hope you enjoyed this sneak peek so far. If you have any questions regarding my logo remaking process, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. Take care.